Hi, I'm Laura, and I'm the merchandising manager with Circle Furniture. When we start the process of opening a new store, one of the things that we have to look at is how all of our furniture and fixtures are going to fit into the space. We have to fit the design center, restrooms, break rooms, and see how everything's going to effectively work off of each other. Ideally, it's a linear process where we go from point A to point B to point C, but that doesn't always happen, and that's usually because we run into a roadblock. A couple of the challenges that we've run into with Portsmouth is that we had originally planned on doing a sconce wall like we did in Seaport right at the entryway, but when they opened up the walls surrounding it that we wanted to take down, they found out that we couldn't actually take those walls down. So we had to reevaluate that. We moved the sconce wall to a different location and ended up tearing down the original wall. My favorite part of the construction process is seeing how much evolves week to week. We have weekly construction meetings every Monday where we can go, we see the progress, we meet with the team, the architecture team, the general contractors, and any subcontractors that are working on the project. Because of all the different bits and pieces that go into opening a new store, it really does take a team, and it's why we have so many talented people working to open every new store. At the end of the day, the outcome that we're looking for with each new location is to stand true to the Circle values, the Circle aesthetic, and to give our customers the experience they deserve.